How to fix Ticketmaster transfer not working. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this tutorial. If you're facing such issue, mostly it is because of a network issue. So firstly, make sure that your Wi-Fi or cellular data is optimum. Or it might also be a glitch issue. For that, press and hold on to app and head to app info. Right here, you need to force stop it, then head to storage and cache to clear up the cache buildup. Once you have done it, then it's time to open up your phone setting. This is the alternative way. You can check out the apps, then head to all apps. Search for your Ticketmaster in your search bar. In here, you need to repeat the same process of force stopping it, heading to your storage and cache, and clearing up the cache. This will help to fix bug or glitch issue. Once you are done from here, then open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for your Ticketmaster. Tap on the Ticketmaster app, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, try by uninstalling it. Next, check for your Wi-Fi connection. Switch to your cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. If you are connected to a VPN, make sure you disable it as well. Then try again it later. This wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.